Good morning, Mach 1. RNAV Yankee, approach. Cleared runway 20 at Saint-Dumont. Wind 180 at 25. Gusting 40.
Roger. Cleared RNAV Yankee, runway 20.
Okay, flaps 5, gear down please.
Roger. Flaps 5, gear down. 3 greens and locked.
Mach 1, are you stabilized on RNAV Yankee?
Affirmative. Mach 1 stabilized on RNAV Yankee. Christ. What was that?
Felt like a bird strike. I think engine 1 has lost thrust. Checking engine gauges. And any damage report?
Confirmed. Engine 1 lost thrust.
Okay, full thrust engine 2. And gear up please. Shut down engine 1.
Roger. Full thrust engine 2. Gear up. Shut down engine 1. Mayday, mayday, mayday. Mach 1 going round. Bird strike.
Roger, Mach 1, Mayday. What are your intentions? Are you following the missed approach procedure?
Affirmative. Affirmative. Climbing to 5,000. Direct to Marika VOR for assessment.
Okay, emergency checklist.
Roger. Running emergency checklist.
Mach 1, Mayday. Contact approach on frequency 121.5 for instructions.
Roger that. Contact approach 121.5. Rio approach. Mach 1 Mayday. 1,500 climbing to 5,000 heading Marika VOR. Request alternate Galeon. Engine failure after bird strike.
Roger, Mach 1. Cleared for America VOR at 5,000. Report when ready for vectors to intercept ILS runway 10 for landing. Inform damages. Do you need emergency services?
Affirmative. Rio approach. We had a bird strike. Lost engine 1. Request full emergency services. Please stand by for vectors.
Okay, run through the emergency checklist please.
Affirmed. Emergency checklist running through. Rio approach. Mach 1 Mayday. Ready for vectors.
Roger, Mach 1, Mayday. Cleared heading 300. Direct outer marker runway 10. Tower informs that wind is calm and you are cleared for landing. Emergency services standing by.
Roger, Rio approach. Mach 1 Mayday. Heading 300 for runway 10.
Okay, set the FMS for ILS 10 and prepare cabin crew for the situation please.
Roger. FMS set for runway 10, runway 10. Attention cabin crew. Prepare passengers for an emergency landing at Galeon International Airport.
Copying that. Advising right away.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the flight deck. As you have noticed, we have had to go around. This was due to a failure in one of the engines from a bird strike. We have diverted the aircraft to land at Galeon International Airport. The flight will continue safely on engine 2. But for extra precaution, we will use Galeon, as the facilities will allow us to land comfortably without any need for concern. Please follow the flight attendant's instructions. Thank you.
Okay, stabilize ILS 10, gear down, flaps 15.
Roger. Gear down. Flaps 15.
Okay,
3 greens. Locked.
3 greens? Okay, coming to land. Let's go to the landing checklist. Gear.
Down. 3 greens.
Flaps.
30 degrees.
Speed brake.
Armed.
Okay, landing data.
Bug set and checked.
Landing lights. Lights.
Landing lights set.
Anti-skid.
Anti-skid on.
Your dampers.
Your dampers off.
Anti-ice.
Anti-ice off.
Continuous ignition.
Check.
Hydraulics.
Checked.
Fuel panel.
Checked and pumps on.
Cabin signs on, please.
Cabin signs on. Well, we hope you liked the video. Of course, this is not a real plane, it's a flight simulator, and I'm not a real pilot either, I'm a teacher. But the idea of Mac Training is to provide a real ambience for you to study English in at a distance. I do have with me, though, the founder of Mac Training, who is responsible for this video. His name is João Machado, and he is a pilot. João.
Thank you, Steve. Yeah, like you can see, we fly a 727 in Santos Dumont, which is something that you'll never see. So I want you guys to just enjoy the environment that we're trying to create here. But the whole idea here is to focus on English. So we're trying here to create a dynamic, easier and a complete and really strong way to help you guys to understand better the English and your English needs and to be better professionals. So we're here, I'm with Steve, and we have a great team behind us, another pilots, another teachers, and we want to create something better for you guys, and that's pretty much it, Steve, what I have to say right now.
Thank you, João. Yeah, João has also had a bird strike in the past. Okay, so we hope you enjoy the course. We hope you enjoy the ambience. So welcome again to Mac Training. Bye.
Welcome aboard, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.